Trucking sure has come a long way the past 50 years. Today's technological and mechanical advances are geared towards helping make your job easier. Let's take a look at a few of these important advances. First, nobody has to deal with folding paper maps or dealing with paper trip envelopes and recap sheets. Now it's all GPS systems, onboard computers, and in-cab scanning systems. Each Marten truck is also equipped with onboard satellite communication and computer systems too, making it easier to stay in touch with everyone. And when it comes to safety, we've got the same collision avoidance systems found in high-end luxury cars and grille guards to help keep you and your truck safe. With all these advances in design and technology, today's trucks are much better vehicles than the ones of the past. Plus, their fuel efficiency and cheaper operating costs help us pass these savings on to our drivers. And we at Marten Transport are constantly working to ensure that you have the very latest in modern truck design, utility, and safety. The future of trucking is definitely here today with Marten. For more information on the latest equipment and the features we offer, visit driveformarten.com today.